What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another video. I hope you all had a nice Christmas and New Year's in company of your friends and family. These pieces here are pieces that I've acquired recently. Some were gifts and some I purchased. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with the Matchbox here. This is the Chow Mobile in black. If you guys remember correctly, this came out in a different version of the Sriracha Mobile, I believe it's called, in red. And Sriracha, in case you guys don't know, it's it's just a brand of an Asian hot sauce. I'm pretty sure that most of you have seen it. If you guys enjoy eating Chinese food, pretty sure that you've seen the bottles at the Chinese restaurants. This is, of course, a different version of that. My opinion is that this one is much better looking. It's got more, I don't know, there's something about it that I just, more appealing. Maybe because I like the black and red color scheme a lot better than, the all red color. But yeah, this one's pretty cool. This one, let's see, I'm sure that the details on the card art there are on the opposite side. I don't know why Matchbox does that. I believe that they should do that on this side here, the side that faces the outside of the blister. I think it'll make it more appealing to collectors, and there'll be, people will be more likely to pick it up. So anyways, guys, it's a very nice piece. I assure you it is much better looking up close. So there you go, guys. Pretty cool. I also picked up this MercedesBenz Unimog U300 in a lime green color with the yellow rims. Check that out, guys. I know at first you would think that it's a John Deere vehicle, but I assure you guys it's not. And the reason you guys would probably think that is because these are John Deere colors, except the John Deere color is more of a flat color. It's not as shiny as this one. This one is a candy apple green, as you could see. It's not that easy to tell, of course, because of the light and the reflection and that stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty cool piece, guys. I also picked up this 47 AD 3100. Very nice piece. Check that out. Really like the detail on this car. It's from the it says National Parks Forest Ranger. Check that out, guys. Very, very nice piece. This set here is a gift from my wife. She gave it to me for Christmas. And, I thought that I was not going to get these. These are hard to find. You could find them online, of course, which is, how my wife found them. But depending on where you buy them, they could, the price varies. So I'm very grateful for my wife for getting these for me. It's pretty awesome. So this is a set of 5. As you can see, this is one of 5. And this is the 1968 Cougar. Check that out. These are all gunmetal colors, guys, by the way. So this is a gunmetal yellow or gold. And it's got the red line trim around the wheels. these guys were inspired by the original Sweet 16 vehicles that were released, I believe, in May of 1968, if I remember correctly. So, yeah, so this is a pretty cool piece. Like the color scheme. Very, very nice piece. Metal body, metal base. The wheels are plastic, but it's okay. It's still a pretty cool piece. Don't mind it at all. Next one up is the Volkswagen Beetle in a gunmetal purple, and it's got the black paint over the wheel cover. There you go, on the front and on the rear. Very nice detail there. Also metal base, metal body, and the red line wheels. So pretty cool. Next one up is the 67 Camaro in a gunmetal blue or aqua blue. Pretty cool. Check that out. Metal base, metal body. It's a really, really nice piece. This is number 4 of 5, and this is my favorite of the set. This custom 67 Mustang in a candy apple gunmetal red. Check this out, guys. I'm a big fan of Mustangs, so this is pretty cool in my opinion. Love the detail on the back. Check out the front there. Awesome, awesome piece. Last but not least, this is the 5 of 5. This is a 67 Hemi Barracuda in a candy apple lime green. Check that out, guys. Pretty cool. Very, very nice piece. I'm not sure what the deal is with the button there, but you know, it's pretty cool. So if you flip these cars over, guys, you'll see that it has a brief history or of this car, and it tells you that it's these cars were inspired by the original Sweet 16 cars that were launched in May of 1968. So this is a pretty cool set. Okay, these cars I picked up today. So I went to a Dollar Tree and I found a couple of these. I missed out, the first time they came out, which was last year. No, 2018 actually. I missed out, and I saw it, and for some reason, I passed on them, not knowing that these are pretty cool. These are popular pieces to collect. So I was pretty new at collecting. I didn't really know what was worth collecting, what not. I pretty much collected what what I liked, and later on through videos and stuff like that, I learned that this is not only a commemorative piece because as you can see here, this car is the first to orbit the sun, the Tesla. So it's a commemorative piece. It's a nice little Tesla model, pretty cool. Check out those headlights, guys. They're not decals. They're little plastic cutouts. So it's a really, really nice piece. Check out that grille there. Black interior. Very nice. Check out the details there on the backlight. Really, really cool. So there were more of these, but I didn't need that many. I only picked up 2 of them. So I found another 2008 Lance Evolution. Check that out, guys. Very nice piece. You know, you can't have enough of these, especially, you know, me that I'm, you know, just started customizing and stuff like that. So you know, one I'm going to keep carded, the other one I'm going to open, and you know, if I find this one, I'm going to swap out the wheels. And I think I have another one. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but anyway, it's a pretty cool piece. I also found these 2 Redline editions. I believe that these are the first of the year to come out. And if I'm not mistaken, these come out in 3s. I only found 1 and 3 of 12. So yeah, I don't know what's up with the other one. The you know, the number 2 of 12 is probably, you know, the one a lot of people are after, but it's okay. You know, I'm a big fan of the red editions, so I didn't mind picking these up. I'm pretty sure the other ones will come out pretty soon, so not too worried about it. I'll find them eventually. I also picked up this nice little 9-pack here, mainly because of that exclusive Beetle there. That the other cars I already have. That green one there. I don't remember what it is. Let me take it out. Oh, I opened it before I started recording to make it easier to showcase these cars to you guys. So bear with me, guys. Let's see here. There we go. All right. Let's get this here. Gonna pull them out one by one and put them on the little rotating display thingy here, so that you can enjoy them in much better detail. So there you go, guys. Check that out. Very, very nice piece. I'm not sure what year this is. It just, let me see. I'm trying to see if it says what year it is. Huh. It's kind of hard to say. It just says custom Volkswagen, but it doesn't say anything about the year. Sorry, guys. Custom Volkswagen Beetle. But anyways, guys, it's a pretty cool piece. Check that out. It almost looks like a red edition, you know. It's got that that red and white deco on it, so it's pretty cool. Let's see. I'm only going to show you guys the highlights. The other ones I really don't care for. This is the a Mustang. This is a recolor, and this car you're going to be able to find it in a single pack pretty soon. I can't tell you what what case, but you guys should be able to find it within the next couple of months. Sooner than that, hopefully, depending on where you live. Here's another one here. This is the Mazda RX-7 in blue. You know, this came out in orange, so now you have this in blue. That's pretty cool. Let's see here. There you go. In my opinion, it looks a lot better in blue. Check that out, guys. Pretty cool. Let's see here. This one is really cool as well. This is a Corvette in red with flames. Check that out, guys. Awesome piece. Really, really cool piece. I would have picked this 9-pack, you know, just because of this particular piece. You know, I must say that this is my favorite piece of the entire set. I would put this one first, the Beetle second, the Mazda 3, the Mustang 4, and then let's see here, and this guy here. Jeez. Sorry guys, this guy's being stubborn. Here we go. This guy here, which I already showcased for you guys, I would put that last, but it's still a pretty cool piece. Check that out, guys. This is the Dodge Dart in a lime green. I've already showcased this for you guys in a previous video. And these other ones here, guys, that yellow one is just a, you know, fantasy car. That's another fantasy car right there, and that's lucky number 9 right there. You know, I don't care for, oh, here's another one I missed, that purple one right there. So sorry, this is lucky number 9. I don't care for these fantasy cars, you know, probably gonna, I don't know, probably gonna throw them away or something. I don't really care for these. But anyways, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be safe, guys. Happy hunting. Be good to one another. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.